Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix being charged after canceling on OpenArt. So if you were charged after canceling on this platform, it's usually due to billing timing, subscription cycles, or the cancellation not fully processing before the next charge date. So actually guys, first you will need to check the billing cycle timing, and that's the most common. So even if you cancel, you may still be charged if you canceled after the renewal date already started, and if the payment was already pending before cancellation. So as a result, that charge is still valid under most subscription systems, okay, or under most subscription systems. So at the second, you will need to confirm your cancellation status. So you will need to go to your account and verify if the subscription shows canceled or inactive. So you will need to click on your profile icon that's located at the top right, or your profile picture, and then just go with subscriptions right here, right? So if it's canceled, you will be notified right here, okay? And also guys, you will need to know that in OpenArt, partial cancellations may still allow billing. Also guys, you will need to check for multiple subscriptions. So sometimes users have a duplicate account, like Google login versus email login, and multiple active plans. So you'll need to make sure that you canceled the correct account. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.